Viewers and subscribers, welcome again to Jamaican Drama TV. Now today, I want to discuss something that has been bothering me for some time now. And this is the issue of persons parading with illegal firearms in the country. This thing has become the norm and it also includes females. Now, I have a few videos that I want to share with you. But first, I am reminding you guys to remember to subscribe to our channel to get daily uploads. And also remember to tell us what you think in the comment section. Now, let us go right into the matter with our first video. As you saw in that video just now, the brother have a pretty Glock pistol named Ann. Pose with it in a dance. The man have no mask or nothing at all. You understand? At the levels that the thing reach right now. But one thing, him not have no weapon handling skill, So them fool. Because him have the gun in him head and have him hand on the trigger. Lord help us. Him lucky. Him never shot him himself. This next video make me pretty thing different. The man really now will nomad star. Check this out.
Right. Anyway.
Yo, this a man prove a different point. A man have gun in every pocket. In him two and them. This a call one man army. No, this is the one we catch we off guard. Because it is not the norm to see a female parading with high-powered weapons and rocking to a gangster beat. Check this out. John No Star is not a good look, especially with what are going on with the crime rate in the country. We need to get these guns off the street. Subscribe to our channel now to get further updates and remember to like and share this video. Peace.